So right now I am making brownies, and right now I'm pouring 1/4 of a cup of oil. You can use any oil, it doesn't matter. So I just did that, and then I poured the oil and egg in to the bowl, and then I poured the package mixing to make the batter, and after that I started mixing it. It was kind of like thick, I guess. It kind of like made me worried about it, and then I just for a bit I just poured water at a time just to make it a little more like thinner, because it was pretty thick. It wasn't like normal cake batter. So, and then I just preheated it at 350 and just wait until it beeps. So right now it was morning, so it was like around 5-6 o'clock in the morning, and I just slept under the stars. It was really pretty. And here's my dog. He's dirty from running around acting funny. And he's just being himself, just being funny and acting adorable. Then later on in the day I made a homemade slushie. I used popsicles, like Power Paws. You can use whatever you want. And then I just picked any sodas or fit the vibe, I guess. I did Mountain Dew. You can use Sprite, 7-Up, Mountain Dew again, Canada Dry, and Squirt. I would prefer those than dark soda. If you want to do a dark soda, then you would have to put just regular ice in it, or if they do the the flavor soda popsicles, if you mean some of those, then you can do that too. And then I just poured them in this plastic cup, and I just smashed it with a fork. It made holes in it, of course. I wasn't really thinking about it. And then I just smashed it until I get something like this snow thick type of texture. And it took forever because it was really frozen. As you can see, there's parts of it just getting really stuck and sticky, and it was oh gosh. And that's where I started seeing holes in the cup, so I had to switch it up with a clear cup. So I just kept on smashing for about at least 5 minutes, and then I just switched it off into to a clear cup, and you can see it's still kind of thick. You kind of want it a slushy type of texture, so I just kept on smashing it and turning it so I got everything all smashed up. And I did this for a bit because it kept on getting really stiff, and I didn't want that. I wanted it to be the slushy type of snow. And so here you can test it and see if you can make more with it. Doesn't really matter. It just you can make. I put in this one at least 4 popsicle sticks in it, and then I just kept on smashing it, and I kept on adding more and more, and then yeah. And it was super hot. It was almost 100 degrees where I live, and I was you know what, we're gonna do this. So then I opened up the Mountain Dew and poured it in. You can see it fizzes, and that's what you kind of want. And then you can stir it and smash it around a bit, but I wouldn't do that because it was pouring it, getting everywhere. And there's my hummus. And then it was really sunny outside. This is how sunny it was. It was pretty bright, no clouds or nothing. So we decided, of course, to get a slip and slide. That was fireworks because the big loud things. So did that, and I just like played around with the stuff and like thrown on the ground because we were in a parking lot and some of the fireworks were kind of illegal. Here's me playing with the party pooper things, and I'm just like playing around with them. And my brother was trying to pop like 3 of these crackle things and do it, and he all of it.